Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Brawl Stars on your iPhone 6. First, let's ensure your device is ready for action. Confirm your iPhone 6 meets the game's minimum system requirements, which typically include iOS 13 or later. Make sure your operating system is fully updated to the highest version your iPhone 6 supports. Also, check your storage. Brawl Stars needs about 400 megabytes of free space to install and run smoothly. To get the best performance, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial. Navigate to the game's settings menu and set the graphics quality to low. This significantly reduces the strain on your iPhone 6's processor and graphics chip. Additionally, turn off any extra visual effects like shadows or high-resolution textures. Before starting a match, always close all other apps running in the background to free up system resources. A stable network connection is vital for a smooth online gaming experience. Always connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to minimize lag and disconnections. Playing on cellular data can be inconsistent and drain your battery faster. Furthermore, ensure your iPhone 6 is charged above 50% before you start playing. If battery life is a concern, activating low power mode can help extend your playtime, though it might slightly impact performance. Even with optimization, you might encounter occasional issues. A simple restart of your iPhone 6 can often resolve minor glitches and clear out temporary files, improving overall performance. If you experience frequent crashes or unusual bugs, try reinstalling Brawl Stars completely. This can fix corrupted game files. Finally, monitor your device's temperature. If your iPhone 6 feels excessively hot, take a short break to prevent overheating and potential damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.